Hi everyone. So today what we are gonna see, as I was getting a lot of requests regarding Botmaster source code setup and rebranding. So we'll be checking today how to do the rebranding for Botmaster. If you want the latest source code for Botmaster setup, as it was released a little time before, like 4 or 5 days. The latest version is 14.5. The source code libraries were released around 4 to 5 days before, and those who are having older source code, their source code will not work now, as there is a WAPI update. So right now, what we'll do, we will open the source code. This is the fresh source code for Botmaster 14.5. Okay, so what we are gonna do, we will open Botmaster. Okay, here it is 14.5 source code setup date. See, here it is written botmastermedia.com for sales and support. Like that, we are going to change the details of Botmaster original setup, as well as we will changing the other necessary details for it. We just close it. Here in Botmaster source code, there is a module config file. Okay, you will get it here, module config file. What we are going to do, we are going to change the name of Botmaster as well as the company name and other details. Like instead of Botmaster, we want Master Media. We want Master Media. Here in place of this, we can write any name for company like Master Media for sales and support. Call 9153901841. Here I have written my number here in the title box. So, and we'll be changing the support phone number. Like somebody will click on the number and they will go to your WhatsApp. So we will put our number 9953901841. In the second video, in the second method also support URL, we will put 919953901841. Instead of this link, we will put our link. The original provider's link is botmastermedia.com. So in website URL, we will put this link botmastermedia.com. Same as we will do in website name, as only the domain name is required, not HTTPS, and then helpline link. So instead of the website link, we will put our WhatsApp number into the helpline link. It is given. So again, we are putting our own number here. In the mail ID, in the mail ID, in the mail ID, what we are doing right now, we are putting our own mail ID here. Uh, info@ or any mail ID you can. Here, any mail ID you can keep. The phone number, helpline link, website name, support URL, and as well as, so those whose source code is not working right now, what you have to if you are using an old source code, okay, then the new API is required to be integrated here. As you can see, api.botmastermedia.com, then you need this latest API for making your source code run. Right now in old source code, people are not able to send messages because this new API is required in place of the old API. Call master media for sales and support plus 91995390181. Here our number is mentioned. So again, we will try to run the software. See, now the name is master media for sales and support call. Like that we are gonna change, like this we can change the name of our particular software. uh, it will be using the same key for validation. You can create a new key. If we want to change the desktop name and all, master media, we are going to put the name here, okay, and everything we need to put it here. Suppose you want to change the icon, you can also change the icon in icon section, okay. And if you want to change the icon name, then you can change the icon name in desktop shortcut. Like that we can change everything here, like we can change everything. Now what we will do here, we will rebuild a setup and see if the name has been changed in every place or not. We will click on rebuild, and the rebuild was successful for one. Then we will rebuild for second. Now in Butter setup, you will be able to see our setup has been already. So right now what we will open it. Another version have already been installed. Panel. So install the old. We have uninstalled the old version. So now we will be installing our new setup. As you can see, instead of Botmaster right now, Master Media have been set up. So our the full branding will be in Master Media name. Now next, as you can see, instead of Media Plus or Botmaster, the folder also have been changed. Okay, then we can click on yes and install. Our setup has been successfully installed. Now we will see. See, master media have came here. See, now master media for sales and support here. All the things have been given. All the rebranding have been done. So you can see like this we can rebrand our full source code into our name.